Hi, myself Dr. D. Shanti. I have 14 years experience in teaching and 4 years as a freelancer. I'm a corporate trainer, and not only that, even I'm giving skill development trainings on various new domains called artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and data analytics using Tableau, IoT, and all emerging technologies what we have. I have given trainings on those topics, even DevOps. Okay, and I have completed my postdoc from USA. I have done my PhD from JNTU Hyderabad, and my basic qualification is BTech and MTech from Computer Science Engineering. And yeah, I have almost 40 research papers and 14 patents. I have written 6 textbooks and almost. So this is what my introduction. Coming to today's um, concept called artificial intelligence, I'm giving a small demo on artificial intelligence. So before going to entering into the original topic, let me explain you a small. Let me give you a small introduction, or what we'll call a small gist of artificial intelligence. So we all are aware we have we known to this intelligent keyword. Intelligence means applying knowledge or experience on whatever the maybe you may take it as a decision making, reacting to the real world problems, adopting the real world problems and trying to give the solutions to that. So, whatever it may be, where you are applying, like human intelligence, where you are applying your intelligence as human doesn't require pre-train or pre-training. Um, so maybe his past experiences, whatever he learned in his experiences or in his past experience, so he is going to apply into the problem. Whatever the problem he found, so he started thinking how to give the solution to this problem based on his experience. Now coming to artificial intelligence, now it is going to mimic like a human. How this a machine? Generally, artificial means it's a man-made. Maybe it is a machine. Okay. So, like how this man-made things are going to apply its intel because it doesn't have its own intelligence. So, whatever the instructions we are giving, accordingly it will perform the task. Now, how this artificial man-made items or things started thinking like a human and trying to give the solutions to the real world problems or trying to make a decision according to the situation, all these things we are going to learn in this artificial intelligence. Apart from that, these are the certain objectives where what exactly artificial intelligence you are going to learn in this session: history of AI, applications of AI, deep learning neural networks, programming languages for AI, frameworks of AI. As I told you just now, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is simply the ability of a computer to exhibit intelligence. This intelligence can either mimic human intelligence or observe real world problems and intelligently find solutions for it. How? Uh, an artificial or a robot or a man made things or a computer. How these systems or how these devices or man made things mimic, like how they are adopting or how they are observing the real world problems and how they are giving the solutions to the real world problems is the things. So coming to history of AI, generally we have a myth. So whenever, as I have taken many sessions on this AI, so even to the students of BTech, maybe they are studying their final years or maybe last semester. Okay. So when I asked when this AI has been introduced, then they started telling that it is around 2010 to 2020 in between. But that is a myth actually. So that, like, maybe that decade is the time where the researchers started doing their research in that particular. Almost everyone started adopting this machine learning and artificial intelligence into their domain, their research. But actually, it just started around 1642, where or when the first mechanical calculating machine built by French mathematician and inventor Blaise Pascal. So Blaise Pascal has been invented a first mechanical calculator. So that is the seed, that is the base for today's AI. We all know it, right? In 1837, first design for a programmable machine by Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace. Okay, these people have designed the first programmable machine. We all know Charles Babbage is the father of computers. But he is not only the father of computers. So, like when he started developing this programmable machines around 1837. So 1642 is the time where the mechanical calculator has been introduced, and in 1837 the first programmable machine has been introduced by a very excellent scientists, which are Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace. In 1943, foundations of neural networks. Anyway, in further slides, I'll explain you what exactly these neural networks. But the foundations of these neural networks has been established in 1943 itself by Warren M.C. Coolidge and Walter Pitts. In 1950, the excellent concept where it became the base of today's computers. Like after this Alan Turing's concept, whatever it had, like you may say that before Alan Turing's and after Alan Turing machines. Okay, so it became the base of today's computers or today's, what you may call even AI and ML. Alan Turing introduces a test, the Turing test, as a way of testing a machine's intelligence. Okay, so he has been introduced to this Turing test in 1950. Excellent scientist. 1955. This is the first time it has been coined. Like the few researchers has been given a session in a conference, and in that conference they have coined their concept as artificial intelligence. That is the first time they have coined in a particular conference to a particular topic. So that was the AI first time coined in 1955 itself. In 1965, ELIZA, a natural language program, is created. So it just handles the questionnaire or the dialogues given by the users or the what you may call participants or users. So and it by default it started giving the answers to the customers or the users. So now you may call it as chatbot, but actually it was introduced in 1965 itself, and the name they have given there is ELIZA. See, natural language program is also comes into the picture around in around 1965. In 1980s, Edward Feigenbaum creates expert systems which emulate decisions of human experts, which emulate decisions of human expert. So even expert system is also introduced in 1980s. See, in 1997, now we are watching many movies that robot has taken the upper hand on humans. They are ruling humans. But that was started in 1997 itself. The computer program Deep Blue beats world chess champion Garry Kasparov. In 2002, iRobot launches Roomba. It is an autonomous vacuum cleaner that avoids obstacles. Now we have many machines, maybe the size has been reduced because of the concepts and new like now we have LSI integrated circuits. Due to that, the device sizes may be decreased. Now you can handle by using your, maybe we have lot many versions using your expressions, using your signs. You can understand your language and performing accordingly. That is another issue. But the base of all these things was found in 2002 itself. In 2009, Google built the first self-driving car to handle urban conditions. But still, researchers are going on. Okay, and now it came into the roads, not in Indian roads, but in US roads. It already came into the roads, but it was started around 2009 itself. 2011, IBM's Watson defeats a champion of US game show, Jeopardy. Did you see how the revolution comes into the picture, how the updations comes into the picture, day by day, how it just the changes made into it, the development comes into the AI. You can easily see from 1642 to 2014. See, 2011 to 14, all kind of personal assistants comes into the picture, like Siri, Google Now, Cartoona. So all these are in usage. So in 2014, Ion Goodfellow comes up with a generative adversarial network concept. And in 2016, AlphaGo beats professional Go player Lee Sedol 4:1. And in 2018, most universities have courses in artificial intelligence. Not only the courses, now it became the domains. So AI is became a domain. And all kind of domains, like whatever we have, like non-circuit branches, circuit branches, whatever the branches you are taking as a brand like domain. So they have started using this ML, automatizations, all these things started, and they have started using this AI into their domains and doing an analysis. So whatever the problem statements it may be, I'm not entering into their domains and trying to explain you, but my intention is to explain what is AI and how this AI is take over the, how this AI is taken the revolutions and uh, like the development of AI in terms of a small, somewhere in mechanical machine learning, sorry, mechanical calculator to take over all the domains and applying this AI ML into their domains for further research. Okay,